Let's now take a look at our work for the landforms and waterforms. It looks like this. It has a landform and waterform map on the front, which is pretty cool because we talked about there being many minor land and water forms. So you can see things like beach that we didn't talk about, or lagoon that we did not talk about. But then you can also see things like peninsula and strait, which we did talk about. So the first instruction says, receive the lesson from your teacher or by video. Done that. Then cut and match the landform cards. Now this is where things get a little tricky. You have so many cards in here. You do not need to cut them all out. You need to cut out one set. This is my suggestion. If you come up with another way to do it that you think would be better for your style of learning, then you can send me a message or ask your teacher if that would be okay, and I bet it will be. So, for example, I have chain of lakes in the illustrations, and then I also cut out system of lakes in the beautiful photographs. So I have these two cards. You can match them up. You can make a poster. I thought it would be fun to turn them into a matching game where you spread them out and then maybe take turns with a family member trying to find matches. And I like this because it gives us an illustration, but then it gives us a real life example. So my suggestion is to cut out one set of illustration cards and one set of photograph cards. Now let's look at how many you would have. How many is in a set? It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I did that correctly, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So one set of illustration cards has 10, and one set of the photographs has 10. Okay, after you cut and match the landform cards, you will notice that there are also cards with information and a blank missing. There are 2 sets of these cards. You only need to have 1. That means you will have 10 of them. This set has a blue line around it. Now this is recommended to be a 3rd year work or supernova. However, if you as a 1st or 2nd year in nebula or a protostar would also like to do this work, go for it. It says a blank is a body of water completely surrounded by land on all sides. Lake Tahoe and the Crater Lake are examples of this landform. Well, I can figure this out by the video lesson. I can figure it out by the clues inside here. It says it's a body of water completely surrounded by land. A body of water surrounded all the way completely by land. It also gives me some clues when it says Lake Tahoe and Crater Lake are examples. So the answer is a lake. Okay, and then you will want to do that for each card. 3rd year work, protostars, and nebulas. If you would like to do it, you can too. Okay, after we have matched our cards, or created your book, whatever you chose, third-year students and whoever else would like to has filled out the missing landform cards. The next instruction says to use the blank land and water form sheets to color and label landforms. Your landform cards and videos can help you identify and label the landform. So let's take a look, and I'm going to give you two options on this. You will find blank cards like this inside your packet. If you want to use these to color your landforms, you can do that. And this next option is pretty fun. We have 3 sheets of landforms. I'm going to move these out of the way. Just black and white drawings of landforms. This one. And, oh, we have 4. How cool is that? Now, what you're going to do is label the landforms. Find and label the landforms. Turn to these. Oh, I thought they might go together. So, for example, what can we see here? I see a river. See a river coming down. I see some islands here grouped together. Let's see, I see a mountain. Oh, a volcano. So you're going to look for the landforms. You can look back through your cards. You can look on the cover of your work and label and color your landform sheets. Now, if you choose to go another direction, if you want to create a poster or you want to use the clay like I did in the lesson video, that would be okay too. So have fun, and I cannot wait to see what you come up with.